Entering data into an Excel sheet. How to enter data? Simply just click on the cell you want to enter your data. Here we have activated this cell, writing Microsoft Excel. Enter to change the cell. Press enter in keyboard to change the cell. MS Word 35, college 35. It's so simple, but here we see one problem, that Microsoft Excel is out of cell. If we are editing this cell, we have to write, for example, PowerPoint. Only Microsoft is visible, the rest are not visible. The rest is invisible. What is it? We cannot read. So we have to widen the cell, the whole text to be shown. Come here. Let's the cursor change to a cross with left and right arrows. Now left click and drag it to the desired width. You see above the cursor it's showing the width and pixels of the cell. Same for PowerPoint. It's simple like that. To change the cell, we have two keyboard or three keyboard buttons. Here we write 36, enter. The cell will change. Another cell will be activated. Another button we have is tab. With tab also the cell change. Go to the right cell. And one more way we have to change the cell is the arrow keys. All four arrow keys, up with up, down, down, right, left, all work for changing cell. Next is editing the data. We have written something in a cell. For example, here 8. If we click here and start writing, a new thing will be inserted. And the old 18 has gone. How we edit the same data? There are two ways. First, click here. Here we think one dot is extra. Come to formula bar and click where you want to bring change and remove or edit. Here it is. We have changed it. We see here in the cell it's changed. Another way to edit is, for example, we are writing Microsoft Word. So you click inside the cell, double click, so the edit is activated. Now you can use your keyboard to edit it. So it's as simple as that.